Alright, y'all, you can see we got the all the new tires for the Tugger. These are the ones I got. Those are the back right there. They're a I don't even know what brand they are. Wanda. Sounds good to me. So, and got these little knobby suckers here for the front. And these ones, the front ones come with tubes, the back ones didn't. But I can get a set of tubes at the local tractor supply store or the tire shop, one of the two. But yeah, I think that tread there is going to be a whole lot better than what's on it. So hopefully it goes fairly easy. I'm going to start with the front, where I got it blocked up there in the front. So let's get the camera set up there and we'll start pulling them off. Alright, y'all. These should be pretty easy to get off here. These are just dust caps. Yep. Should be able just to pinch these together here. This is little cotter pin or whatever y'all want to call them. I'm going to drop them in the cup there so we don't lose them. Looks like there's a washer there. A couple of them. So, yeah. And there are tubes in these tires, but they don't hold air. They're all dry rotted and everything. So, yeah, I don't want to mess with them anymore. So, I'm gonna take them apart and let's see if we can get the air out of these and get them broke down and get the new ones put on. So let me get some stuff gathered up here and we'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all. Just went over in the vise there and kind of pinched this down. Got it broke down off the bead on both sides. So now I'm going to try and just get this to pop up and over. Maybe. You may end up having to go to my brother's house and use the tire machine, or find something to put in the vise to Where's Lucky? He could do these in a heartbeat. We're winning. I think we're winning, boys. Maybe, maybe not. Getting closer. Hey, look at that. You got one side. Whew. Alright, I'm going to try to work this thing up and try to get that tube out of there. It might make things a whole lot easier. Possibly. If you are getting a good laugh, leave me a comment down there. Alright, I'm going to shut y'all off. I'm going to work on this. We'll get this all tore down. Alright, y'all. Came to the conclusion that my hands are just getting too old and arthritic to hold that rim and do it just in my hand. So I made up this little bracket, which I'll show y'all after a bit, to hopefully I can get in there and it's somewhat working. There it went. Awesome. Awesome. So, alright. I'm going to grab the new tire and rim. And, or new tire, not rim. New tire and tube. And we'll get that put together. So, give me a second and we'll be right back. Alright, y'all. Got the new tube here, or tire. Let's see if we can get it forced down on there. Hopefully. Now, it's in the 40s here in the shop, so we may not be able to do a whole lot with it. I may actually have to take these inside and she's starting to go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna get her. Oh, there we go. There's the first half. Now, let's get the tube stuffed in here again. Try not to twist the tube as it's going in. Alright, and it just so happened that I got the tube pointing in the right direction, with the valve stem pointing in the right direction. Just need to take that cap off so it'll go up through the hole. Look at that. It's going up in. Now, we'll put the cap back on, hopefully keep it from going back down through the hole. Now, we just need to work that, work this tire around. Alright, I'm going to shut the camera off. So I need to say a few choice words, and this is family friendly, so we'll bring you back when we get this all together. Alright, y'all. I'm better now. I went and got a couple pair of vice grips, and we're locking them on the rim to kind of keep that in place and keep it from sliding back up and over. And as we go around, I just move my vice grips around. Gotta get that down to get it in that groove and there we go. A little bit more. And we're on. Woohoo! Alright. I'm going to fire up the air compressor. We're going to put some air in this sucker and see how she looks. Give me a second because it's going to get real noisy, and we'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Time to put some air to this sucker and see what we get. Oh yeah, she's on there. That's awesome. I think it's going to work out great. I know it's going to work out great because it has to work out great. Them knobbies are going to be awesome on the front of the little tugger. We'll be able to dig her in. So, all right, let me get this one off here, and then I'll show you what I made up to hold this thing. So, hang on. All right, y'all. Here's what I made up to do these. It's just a 3/4 or a 5/8, I think it is, something like that bolt. Piece of square tubing, and that way the vise can lock on it like this, keep it from rocking from this way, and to keep it going this way, I just took another piece of this, cut the end of it off, split it, welded it on there real quick, and it drops down over the thing on my vise there. Give her a snug. She ain't going nowhere. Good and solid. So, alright. We got this one here. Oh, and I happen to have this nut at work. It's got a nice washer on it. So, I can torque it down and keep it from moving up and down and all around. So, alright. I'm going to go ahead and do this tire off camera. You guys watch me struggle with the first one. Doesn't make for a very good video, but something that needs done. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and we'll bring you back when we get it done. Put the new tires on the front. Alright, y'all. Let's work on getting these on. One thing I did notice is the valve stem's on the outside of this one. On the other one, it's on the inside. Why it's like that, I have no clue, but there may be different rims from different year tractors or whatever, but it really don't matter to me, but just saying. Alright, there's that. My little cotter pin out of here. Alright, put the cap back on her now. Perfect. Look at that. We got some mudders on there now, boys. Alright. Oh, we got a cap a little crooked there. Alright, there we go. So, let me know in the comments you guys think I ought to paint these. I was thinking about painting them red. I probably should have done it while I had the tires off, but I wanted to get the new tires put on, so ain't no big deal. I can shoot them with some red, you know, or, you know, you guys think a different color, maybe silver, hillbilly chrome. I'll do a little hillbilly chrome on it. So, alright. I'm going to go do the other side, and we'll bring you back when we get ready to take the back ones off. Alright, y'all. Take this sucker here off. Now this side has always only had 2 bolts in it holding it on. It looks like the threads are still there, so let's see if we can't get this thing to start in there. If we can. Yeah. So all I gotta do is go get another bolt. We'll have 3 bolts, but what I'm thinking about doing is getting a little longer bolts, run them out. We'll put studs on here and just run bolts or studs instead of these lug things like that, which I hate. So they're always a pain in the butt to get mounted back up. So yeah, I think that's what I will do. So alright, I got this side off, get the other side off, and I'm not going to hammer on these here in the shop. I'm going to run over to my brother's house. He's got a tire machine, and we'll try to video it over there too, but we'll get these broke down and get these tires here put on. You know, I think they're going to be a lot better for what we do. So alright, bring y'all back when we get to Bro's house and start doing these tires. Alright, y'all, we're over here at Bro's house. Got the adapter put on the tire machine. I'll show you that after we get the tires changed, but we're going to go ahead and do these tires. More than likely the air compressor is going to kick on, so I'll probably just add music over it and go with it. So let's get started. it went. Alright y'all, we got that other tire off. Get ready to put this one on now, so put a new valve stem in her and hopefully I can get this sucker down on here. Struggle's real. Struggle's real. Hang on a second. Alright y'all, got my tool. I'll be right back. So, now, I want to show this thing who's boss. Maybe. All right, that was almost like pulling teeth. How much you can put in, but we got 15 in them. We're gonna go with it. So, all right, y'all, we got this one set. I'm gonna do the other one off camera, just because you watch me struggle with one, you don't need to watch me struggle with the second one. All right, y'all. This is just a Pittsburgh tire changer. You know, the little one you can buy, mini tire changer. And what he did is took a four-wheeler rim, cut it down, bolted it to it, and that way his clamps will come in and, you know. Oops. One of them does it. Anyways, one of them does. Second one? Oh, there we go. There we go. There, now it's locked on there. So if you all have a tire machine, want to do some of these small tires, you know, grab up one of those cheap little things and there you go. So, all right, we'll see you back at my shop. All right, y'all, we're back from the bro's house, and if you notice here, I kind of did a Craigslist rebuild there with a little, you know, high quality, same stuff I used on the rims. I did black the back rims out. I got to do the front ones yet. I'm actually thinking about putting a red pinstripe around the outside edge here. I got a paint pen I might do here, and then doing along this little bead here. I think it kind of look cool. I mean, we gotta get the Tugger looking a-okay, but you know, y'all let me know what you think. You know, think I ought to do that or just leave it alone or whatever. This is one thing I hate about lug studs. Just trying to get everything lined up. There's no actual hub part for this thing to sit on, so we'll get her. Hey, there's one. Knock it off there. Okay. Hey. Hey now. There's two. I'll grab a third one from the other side because I haven't went and got the other bolt yet. But I will pick one up when I get off work. One of these days. And I still may put the bolts in from the other side, get a little longer ones, and get some nice chrome lug nuts from there. What do y'all think? Think, you know, doll it up a little bit there. I think that'd look cool. But yeah, I think these are going to look nice, work nice. Got some nice meaty tread on them. So, all right, I'm going to do the other side off camera, and we'll bring you all back when we get that done. There's a little better view after it's all bolted on. And, you know, there's the tread. I think this thing's going to do awesome. You know, tugging the tractors around. So, you know, there's the front one. I'm going to still black that one out. And I think a red ring around there would look pretty cool. So, I think that's what I'm going to do. I love those center caps. Get them cleaned up a little bit too, maybe. They do make center caps for the back. I have one on the other side, but I found them online, but they ain't that expensive. I mean, I can buy one, but if somebody happens to have an original one laying around somewhere, let me know. We'll make arrangements, make a deal on it, and we'll get it on here, and you know, you'll help the cause. So appreciate it. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys like this one. We're getting the Tugger ready for the polling season. She just needed some new skins, and we got it done. The next step in this, you know, getting it ready for the season is I want to get the electric start working, because, you know, the pole starts like 1 or 2 poles, it fires up right away. But I like the electric start, just kind of a convenience, you know, laziness, whatever you want to call it. It's me, so, you know, we're going to do a little more painting. I think I'll paint them front wheels black, paint the handlebars. I'll probably just black it all out. Maybe a little red trim here and there, but you know, let me know what you guys think. You know, should we do it all in black? Do a little red trim on it. You know, the engine cover is red, so we can pick up that red and, you know, put it around some other places. But I just want to make it look nice. You know, instead of a piece of junk running around the pits, because I don't not only use it for my tow vehicle for the pulling the tractors, but sometimes I just ride it around, you know, it's fun. People like it, so it is what it is. So anyways, appreciate you all watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the bottom there. Come into the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you so inclined, please share this out to your friends. Get them watching too. So numbers are growing. We're real close to 2,750 for subscribers. That's awesome. We just hit 450,000 views. That's incredibly, totally awesome. Never thought I would ever see, you know, 100,000 views. So, you know, y'all keep watching. I keep making them. I really appreciate it. So, anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you all again, and we'll catch you on the next one.